Well, hello. About a year and a half ago, Stephanie and I took the plunge and we bought ourselves some e-bikes. We went with the Rad Rover 6 Plus, only because we wanted the ability to go on and off-road. The weight is down, but the durability and how much fun we're having is a plus. However, once we had Teddy join the family, we were missing something. We would go on a bike ride, Teddy would stay home in the air conditioning. So we're going to try and rectify that today. So we purchased a Schwinn trail behind, usually for toddlers, but it'll work for puppies and dogs as well. So I'm going to put this thing together and we'll get back with you shortly. And there you have it. Actually, it was very, very simple to put together. We'd be taking Teddy for a test ride here, but the weather's not going to cooperate. And it only took one beer. What you think, Teddy?